Hey, I don't think I've filmed anything today. It's nearly 8 o'clock. I just had a fucking horrendous headache all day. So I didn't film. What did I do today? Fox went to nursery, came home, did a bit of cleaning. Then my mum came round, we took Fox out for lunch. I went and bought a new rug and a new hoover because my hoover broke. And then I had to go to Ari's school because she was a flock star, which is like a special person for the half term. And there was a secret assembly that the kids didn't know about. And there was like 8 kids that were selected out of the school. And the parents got invited. So we were all in the hall when they came in. So that was really nice. She didn't know what was happening. And then just came home, fed the kids, got them all in bed. I've just had a shower to try and clear my head, but it's not really helped. So I'm going to read a bit of my book and then I'm going to bed. I'm hoping tomorrow will be a better day. Tomorrow the kids are going to school, Fox is at home, my friend Lizzie's coming round, and then I've got to drive the kids to Ben's mum's house because they're staying there for the weekend. And then I have no idea what I'm doing at the weekend yet. I have no plans because I'm a fucking shadow. So I'll talk to you tomorrow.